Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to disable leaderboard in Roblox Studio. So in order to disable the leaderboard in your Roblox Studios game, all you have to do is firstly open up Roblox Studio, then head to the My Game section. From there, you have to open the game that you want to disable your leaderboard. Now let the game load properly. So after the game loads, all you have to do is head to the Explorers tab. From there, open up the Starter Players folder. Now you'll see two folders in here, Starter Character Script and Starter Player Script. You have to press on the plus button on the right side of Starter Player Script. Then add a local script into here. Now the local script file has opened and you can edit it as you want. So firstly in here you have to add weight, and in between the brackets it will be a 0. Then press two enters. After that type game dot starter GUI semicolon set core GUI enabled bracket string player list, then comma, and then space false. Now after you have inputted this lines in your local script, you can head and test out your game. So after your game has opened, on the right side of your screen you will see that there is no leaderboard, which usually is here when you open up any normal game. There is a leaderboard saying your name and your stats, but now there is nothing in here. So that's how you remove the leaderboard from your game in Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.